Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to go invisible on the Waze application, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the app, then click on the three lines at the top left corner, then you have to click on the view profile. And the first option is go invisible. If you turn this on, then you aren't visible on the map and can't send reports. But if you turn this off, then you will be able to be seen on the map and others can interact with you. Can send you messages, reports, and so on. And you can do that as well. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.